today's video, we're going to discuss the topic that was assigned in our group, which is angles and polygons.
Hello everyone! Let me define first what does polygon mean. In geometry, a polygon is a plane figure that is described by a finite number of straight line segments connected to form a closed polygonal chain or polygonal circuit. The solid plane region, the bounding circuit, or the two together may be called a polygon. We have two main types of polygons, regular and irregular polygons. When we say regular polygons, it has equal length sides with equal angles between each sides. When we say regular polygon, it is opposite with regular polygon, which has an equal length sides and an unequal angle between sides. These are the examples of regular and irregular polygons. Here, you can see the difference between regular and irregular polygons. Look at the triangle. It has equal length of sides and equal angles between each sides. Compared to irregular triangle, it has unequal length sides and unequal angles between sides. The same as the square, pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon. In connection with angle, I will teach you how to get the interior and exterior angles of a regular polygon. On this table, you can see the shapes, number of sides, name, sum of interior angles, and size of each interior angles of a regular polygon. We have the triangle, which has 3 sides, square 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, and heptagon 7 sides. To get the sum of interior angles, we have formula parenthesis n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Let n be the number of sides of every regular polygons. Let us compute the sum of interior angle for triangle. We have here the formula parenthesis n minus 2 times 180 degrees. The n here will be 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees. The sum will be 180 degrees. It is the same method for square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. You only have to substitute the value of n to the number of sides of regular polygon to get the sum of interior angles. Let us now go to the size of each angle in a regular polygon. To get the size of each angle, we have the formula parenthesis n minus 2 times 180 degrees divide n. Let us compute the size of each angle of hexagon. We have formula parenthesis n minus 2 times 180 degrees divide n. Substitute the value of n to the number of sides of hexagon, which is 6. Now, we have the equation parenthesis 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees divide 6. The answer is 120 degrees. On this part, I will teach you on how to get the size of each exterior angles of a regular polygon. We have here the shapes triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon. Remember, whatever polygon it is, it has the sum of exterior angles 360 degrees. Now, to get the size of each exterior angles of a regular polygon, we only have to divide 360 to the number of sides of polygon. Let us now try to triangle. 360 divided 3 is equal to 120 degrees. 360 divided 4 is equal to 90 degrees per square, and so on. That's all for polygon. Thank you.
So, let us now proceed to our next topic, which is angle. Angle is a figure that forms into 2 rays called the side of an angle, sharing the common endpoint called the vertex of an angle. Angle is formed into 2 rays that lie in the planes which contains the rays. It is also formed by the intersection of 2 planes. These are called the dihedral angles. There are 6 types of an angle, and they are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation. Acute angle is less than 90 degree, while the right angle is exactly 90 degree. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. A straight angle is exactly 180 degree, while the reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. And the full rotations is exactly 360 degree. This diagram might make you help to understand and make it easier to remember. Also, acute, obtuse, and reflex angle are in alphabetical order. So that was the end of our topic. Hope that it will be helpful for you guys. Always remember this. If you believe in yourself, anything will be possible.